conquering the Spanish silver fleet in 1628. Delfshaven is internationally known because of the Pilgrim Fathers.
The company
In
Imtech,
1620, they departed from
it's
Delfshaven to the New World,
Society
America.
high-tech competitor.
After
Okay.
the Great Flood of 1953,
We are working for them as well.
Delfshaven was
No, we are
closed
not working
off
for them.
from the river.
They are our competitor.
Competitor. Oh, sorry.
En 1368, en tant que petit établissement à l'embouchure de la rivière Schie, Delfshaven se schiemand.
Here you can see the large container cranes.
Okay.
So they will move out until above the ship, then they lower you see the yellow thing hanging below the
Yeah,
crane.
yeah, I can see.
That is lowered until it hooks until the container
Oh.
clicks. And
Then
then
you
it picks up the container and it moves it to the
Land.
side. And there it's put on an automatic lorry,
Okay.
no driver.